You're watching Tech Support Forum's YouTube channel.
Hello and welcome to a tutorial on Tech Support Forum's YouTube channel. This is Carpet Fizz, and today I'll be showing you how to use Activity Monitor on your Mac OS X computer. To find Activity Monitor, you can either Spotlight search it or go to your Utilities folder in Finder. When you open Activity Monitor, you'll be presented with a screen that's similar to Task Manager on Windows, and it does the same thing, with a few differences. At the bottom, you'll see a graph of your CPU usage and specific things like the threads and processes, and a percentage representation of the data. System memory is the amount of physical RAM that's being used, and exact statistics of how it's being used and what's not being used. Disk activity is when and how your hard drive is being accessed, and here you can see read-ins and readouts. Disk usage, the actual hard drive space that's being used, and as you can see, it changes sometimes. Network, you're self-explanatory, it's a network usage, and here there's a spike that means that more data has been received or sent at that point, and it seems like green is data received. In the middle is your main screen with all the process names. Here you can see the actual name of what's running, the user that it's running at, and this part's important because if you see a user that you don't recognize, like root or _ core audio, that means the system made those processes and you shouldn't remove them unless you know what you're doing. It can pretty much mess up your operating system if you delete them. But if you do recognize the username, like your actual account name, you can deal with them however you want. The CPU is the percent that's being used of your CPU, the threads, real memory, which is the physical RAM, and the kind, which is Intel 64-bit, or if you have a 32-bit computer, it'll say that. Over here, you can further filter the processes, such as active processes, and you can see the ones that are actually being used. You can filter them by name by searching it. And over here, you can see you can force quit the process, and it'll automatically kill the files that's running it. Inspect gives you specific statistics of the particular process here. And sample process is important because if there's a crash, you can actually sample that particular instance of it, and you can see the code that's running behind it. So this is useful because if you come across an error, you can specifically mail the code to the developer so they can see what's going wrong. Here, everything's running fine, so it wouldn't be of much use to sample the process. This is pretty much Activity Monitor. It's a really useful tool for things such as if you notice your computer lagging, you can see if there's a process that you hadn't force quit and it's still running. And right here, I can see that the Mail app is using 73.3 megabytes of RAM, which is not a lot, but if it was a bigger application, it would have been doing a significant amount of damage on the system memory. So I can quit those kinds of applications. And again, if you're more of an advanced user, you'll know what these root processes do, and such as the core audio _www, and you can deal with those as well. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial and hope this was useful. If you want more videos like these, please subscribe to Tech Support Forum's YouTube channel and also visit TechSupportForum.com. Thank you.
This has been another great presentation from the Tech Support Forum YouTube channel. Go to our website at www.techsupportforum.com for all your IT inquiries.